You ready to taste?
You want some?
Yeah. Tell mommy how it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, Penny is enjoying the fruits of my labor over there. We're gonna be making guacamole. So there's a little bit different video for me. I'm not gonna be turning into a cooking channel, and fair warning, like my cutting skills, all of that, it's ratchet, so don't do what I do at home. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, yeah, I just figured I would share my guac recipe with you while it's still summer. It's a nice, delicious treat. This is what it looks like. It's so good. It's here. Let me taste it, and then I'll give you guys a little idea of what you're getting. It's fresh. I like my guacamole. It's very citrusy, fresh with cilantro. But it's simple too. Like, it's not spicy. You can always add in like a jalapeno or some red pepper, something like that to spice it up. This is not spicy. It's just fresh. How would you describe it, Sugar Bear?
Yeah, no, fresh.
Fresh.
Citrus, like, yeah.
Super
fruity.
Super fruity. So, yeah, guys, let's make some guacamole together. I will list all of my ingredients in the description box for you guys below. Let's get cooking. So these are all the ingredients you're gonna need. I have 7 large avocados. If you're only able to get the small ones, I would use 10. And then we have 3 lemons here. We have 5 limes. I just use regular limes. Little trick before you cut them, roll them. And then 1 tomato, 1 yellow onion, and a bushel of cilantro. So first thing I'm gonna do is cut the onions and the tomato. And then as far as hardware, you're just gonna need a bowl, a cutting board, a knife, and a juicer. These make it so much easier, you guys. Seriously, you gotta have one of these.
So I actually only ended up using about 1/4 of the onion. Just wanted to throw that in. Don't put the whole onion. It's going to be very, very strong.
Okay, next is the most tedious, worst part of this entire process, cutting the cilantro. And yeah, I hate cutting cilantro. I'm sure there's a better way to do it, but my cooking and chopping skills are not, they're very, very basic. So let's get going. Okay, so I'm probably not gonna put all this cilantro. I'm gonna just take a handful, maybe leave a third of it. Let's see. Maybe a little pinch more. If you love cilantro, put the whole thing in, but we like ours not super cilantro-y. So the reason that I do this mixture first rather than cutting the avocados and doing that and then putting the juice, the tomatoes, the onions is because you'll see in a minute when I cut the avocados and add those, but I kind of like my guac to have some chunk to it. Like I don't like mine super finely milled, and this way I just feel like the flavor gets distributed much better. So I'm gonna do salt and pepper to taste. I usually always end up adding extra salt at the end because I don't know, I'm sure you've probably heard this, but it's better to under salt because you can always add more rather than to over salt. But we like ours salty. There we go. And now we're just gonna give that a mix. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could smell. It smells so amazing. There we go. And then now we're onto the avocados. I'm actually gonna save this. Cilantro is actually really good in salads. I like it sprinkled on top, so that's what I'm gonna save that for. Okay guys, now it's time to taste test. So this usually, I'll like taste it 3 or 4 times, add some stuff, and yeah, let's see. Gotta go on my shirt, based on my mouth. It's actually pretty darn close. Let's see, one more. It needs a little more salt, but I think we're pretty close. Here come my taste testers.
Hello, hello.
You ready to taste?
You want some?
Yeah. Tell mommy how it is. She loves guacamole.
Yummy, yummy.
Guacamole.
Let's see. Oops, got some broken chips.
It's okay. How is it, poopers?
You like it?
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Yum, 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 yum.
It is very good.
Yeah? Oh, the fly.
Oh, the fly.
She sees
Say,
the
shoot,
fly.
fly.
Yeah! Yay! Penny and Daddy like it.
Yeah.
She loves it.